Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I received some frame plugs from Wunderlich. They make some frame plugs to cover up a lot of the bolts on the bike that are stainless, and obviously I'm going with the all black route. So I found these on their website. They are made of like some kind of really hard rubber. They're flexible, as you can see, but they do look like they're very good quality. And what they do is just cover up a plug. So basically, you would take the plug, you would find the hole that it mounts up to. In this case, like for example, like we want to cover that hole on this side, you would plug it in and it covers up everything, protects the bolt from any dust if you guys go off-roading or any of that stuff. But at the end of the day, right, you would put them in here and cover up those big bolts that there's no other way around them, because I obviously ordered the DBK screws and bolts for all the other parts, right? So the whole bike is black screws or bolts, right? All from DBK, including the WRS headlight protector. So I figured let's cover up some of these silver holes. So these are them. So let's install them and show you what the bike looks like afterwards. Before I install, one thing to note, I ordered these numerically. Obviously they each go into a specific hole on the bike. So this would be number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, 6, and 7. It comes with a QR code to scan for mounting instructions. Obviously very self-explanatory. All you got to do is match up the numbers to the plugs, and then you will know which ones go to the left, which ones go to the right. In this instance, the right side of the bike, or the throttle side of the bike, takes 2, 6, and 7. So I would take one of the 2s, the 6, and the 7, and those go on the right side of the bike. Those will go on the left side of the bike, or the clutch side. All right, to the right side, took a whopping 30 seconds. One plug in here, one plug there, one plug down there. So you can see that they're all shaped and angled to the appropriate hole. And there you have it. Right side's covered up. Now let's do the left. So on the left side, we have this one down here, this one right there, this one right in there, and this one. So there you have it. They also have another one, the big square one that goes in here on the shaft drive, but I'm not putting that on. Kind of like the open look on that, and I don't go off-road, so I'm not worried about that one, because you can't see the bolt regardless. It's so far deep. There's a reason for them, especially if you go off-road or ride in the rain a lot. If you don't want water getting inside some of these holes and rusting out your bolts or anything like that, these are a great solution. If anything, they're just stylish. They cover up all the silver major bolts. So there you have it. Just something else, some more farkles for you guys to contemplate. And here's the right side again. Covers all of them up. Nice and black. All right, thanks again for subscribing to the channel, guys. Please comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. It really helps the channel out a lot. Keep subscribing, and hit those notification buttons as well, just so you guys are notified every time I drop a video on something. You guys would get a notification that something new came out. So again, thanks again, and see you soon.